Preparing my chimichurri sauce, I have my cilantro and flat leaf parsley, removing the leaves from the stems, my garlic, red wine vinegar, some olive oil, a bit of salt, and dried red pepper. And this is it. I'm coating my tri-tip roast with my own blend of seasonings, not skimping on the seasoning. We want this to be seasoned really well. I have my liquid smoke and some freshly cracked black pepper. After everything had cooked on the grill, I added my tri-tip last, and I let it cook slowly. And this is how it turned out.